Good morning, students. In previous classes, we have discussed about advertisement, different type of the advertisement like situation vacant, situation wanted, for sale, purchase, lost, and found. In today class, we will discuss about to let and for rent. For example, you are you are Manjeet Kumar. You are Manjeet Kumar, Gurugram. You want to you want to let out your newly constructed flat. You want to let out your newly constructed flat. Draft a stable advertisement. In a note more than 50 words to be published in the classified column. In a different newspapers. Just see, you are Manjeet Kumar from Gurugram. In a direct way, you also can write Gurugram. You are Manjeet Kumar from Gurugram. You want to let out your newly constructed flat. Draft a stable advertisement in a not more than 50 words to be published in the classified column. In this way, that you have an advertisement in the exam. You see what is the title of the advertisement. In this advertisement, there is the title of to let, and there is one thing more. What is the difference between to let and for rent? If you want to offer your house, your flat, apartment, or any other site for the rent, that you also give the title of to let. And if you want a house, building, flat, apartment for rent, that you also give the title of a for rent. In this, that you are Manjeet Kumar. You are Manjeet Kumar from Gurugram. You want to let out your newly constructed flat. You have a flat which is newly constructed and you want to offer on the rent. You just give all the things that it has, and at the last that there also the contact number. Your contact number is 9896 cross cross 12 cross cross. In the 10 digit there will be contact number, and you just untitle this advertisement. First you draw lines, outline. After that you also write down the word advertisement. After that, title to let. Then you also give some space and start to let a newly constructed newly constructed flat in the heart of Gurugram city. Gurugram city. Gurugram city. 2 BHK bedrooms with connected baths and toilets. Then all ultra modern amenities available. Available. Good fitting, sorry, latest fitting and fixtures, well ventilated, well ventilated. Expected rent, expected rent 6,000 per month. Interested person, interested person, contact Arun Kumar, the name also given in the started, sorry, Manjeet Kumar, Manjeet Kumar, then Gurugram, contact number 9896 cross cross 12 again cross cross. There will be same mobile number which is also given in the heading as well as outline in this advertisement. In this way, students, you just detail the advertisement. You also give the description of the flat, of the house, of the apartment. In this way, that you also expected rent, that you also can write negotiable. You just also untitle this. In other thing, if you want to join in this, that you also can write near taxi stand and main market. You also add this point in this advertisement. In other way, that you also can start a newly constructed flat is available to let in the heart of the Gurugram city. 2 BHK bedroom with connected baths and toilets. All ultra modern amenities means facilities. Available latest fitting and fixture. Latest fitting and fixture, well ventilated. Expected rent 6,000, and you also can write negotiable. In this way, student, you just give the description of the advertisement of the thing. In other class, that we will discuss about for rent. If you want to If you want any house, any flat for rent, that you also give the title of for rent, and in this you also give which you want, what type of the things, what type of the facilities required, that you also give the description, all these in the to let. This is all, that's all. Thanks and have a nice day.